This girl received a strange little bird from her grandmother, but the tiny bird had a bit of an attitude and always seemed annoyed with her. Whenever she was doing her makeup, the bird would bother her. Sometimes it would hide her keys, and wherever she walked, it tried to nip at her feet. Even with all that, the girl never got angry and always treated the bird with kindness. One day, she noticed that the bird secretly loved taking baths, so every night before going to bed, she started giving it a gentle bath. Slowly, the bird realized how kind she was and began behaving much better. From then on, it stayed close to her all the time, patiently waiting nearby whenever she was busy working.